Kitaunen logoiwek kyok kusini kong kapkirwok ole inguni kotesetai kaset noton nebo gesit netinyegei ak istoet nebo Rigathi Gachagua ole agot kounoton kakomuch kokon tilet kapkirwok mwoe kole mawo kiptubotoi rubeiwotab kirwokindet neo noton ko Philomena Mwilu kokwai kirwokik somok choton chekotesetai koipchinit kesit netinyegei ak istoet nebo Gachagua. Niton ko kosipkei ak tilet noton nebo kirwokindet noton ko Anthony Murima ole en betut nebo amut kokimuch kebaorionji walchinetabkei nebo ng'ololutik en nebo ogiliek choton chebo komasta nebo Gachagua mwoe kole komakisub kakwautik kenin kotinygei ak kwaet noton nebo kirwokik somok.
Have taken two diametrically opposite positions. One of them being that the assignment of judges is a constitutional duty which can only be undertaken by the Honorable Chief Justice. As such, the Honorable DCJ cannot assign judges under Article 165, Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution. The other position posits that although the duty to assign judges is provided for in the Constitution, its implementation is administrative, and that duty can be undertaken by the Honorable DCJ. In Kenya Medical Research Institute versus AG, which was a three-judge bench of this court, held as follows. They quote paragraph 37. Therefore, by empaneling this bench, the Chief Justice was carrying out his constitutional mandate as opposed to similar functions under the former Constitution, which were hinged on the constitutional provisions and were merely administrative. End of quote. In Leina, Conchela, and others, which was a five-judge bench of this court, the court went ahead and described the role of the Chief Justice under Article 165(4) as constitutional as opposed to a merely administrative function. It also said it is our view that a constitutional mandate of the CJ can be judicial, administrative, or political, and the current Constitution does not indeed state that the Chief Justice is the head of the judiciary which embodies all these functions. Honorable Chief Justice empaneled this very bench on the 14th day of October 2024 to deal with 6 constitutional petitions that inter alia challenged the first petitioner's impeachment process in the National Assembly. The said petitions are still current. On the 18th of October 2024, the Honorable DCJ empaneled the same bench to deal with constitutional petitions challenging the impeachment of the first petitioner in the Senate. To us, it is beyond peradventure that the Honorable DCJ can assign judges under Article 165, Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution, whenever he or she is discharging any of the constitutional functions on behalf of the Chief Justice. In this case, we do not find any fault in the Honorable DCJ assigning judges to sit in this bench, more so when the Honorable Chief Justice has not raised any red flag.